To speed up your phone on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first thing is in the phone manager. So open a phone manager app on your phone, and then you can go for the optimization. So you can optimize your device right here from time to time, and then it should slightly boost performance on it. Then there's the system boost option right there, which should free up memory on your phone. You can also click on it and then click on done. So here we have basically everything that we wanted to do. There's also viruses and risks, and it should automatically scan for them, but you can always check it up if there's any problems on your phone and scan for those malware apps or anything of that sort. So now that we have sorted everything in our phone manager, next thing that we should visit is our notifications panel. Now right here, check for any persistent notifications like timers or screen recording or anything that is going on in the background. Just make sure that anything here is disabled. That way, if you have no notifications, nothing is running in the background, then your phone should also speed up quite a bit. Then we can click on this button right here, or if you're using gestures, swipe up and hold your finger here for around a second. That way you should see all of the apps that are running in the background. Click on close, then check again if there's no apps open in the background. You can always disable them by swiping them up like this if they are locked. Next thing that we can do is open a settings on our phone. Here, scroll down and first visit display and brightness and go into the screen refresh rate. I would recommend to put it on high if you don't mind your battery draining a tiny bit faster, as this will make your phone a bit faster as well. It won't speed up any performance, it will just feel faster as the refresh rate will go higher. Next thing that we can do is scroll down to the battery section, and you can activate high performance mode, which will again drain a battery a bit faster. It's just 1 hour of battery time, but at the same time your phone will feel much better, much faster. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.